Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 125 of Surah Baqarah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. وَإِذْ جَعَلْنَا الْبَيْتَ مَثَابَةً لِلنَّاسِ وَأَمْنًا. For wow, circle your lips. The makhraj of wow is circling your lips only. Don't use your teeth to touch lower lip. It's a wrong way to pronounce wow. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa id. Hamza is a very sharp letter, and give a kasra e sound into it, and attach it with dal. Dal is a rukhawa letter. Rukhawa means you have to give a sound, a nice flow. Wa id. The sound should flow. The sound should be there, not the breath. Wa id. وَإِذْ جَعَلْ short al ain from your throat and attach it with lam, and lam will get tawassut. Lin, Umar are the 5 letters which any one of them comes with sukoon gets tawassut. The tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Ja'al, this is the sound. This is tawassut. Ja'al nal, again. This noon is not anymore long because it is attached with the coming up second letter. So the lam is with sukoon again, and it will get the wasat. Nal bay. This is a lean. It has to be pronounced very softly. For fatha, give a very nice time, long time, and attach it with ya. It will, the whole thing will take 2 counts long time. Bayta. جعلنا البيت short. Tha, 2 counts long, and for tha, your tip of your tongue should touch the edge of your frontal 2 teeth. Mathaba, ba is short. Tal, this is idgham. Idgham without gunna, so the sound shouldn't go in your nose. It should be very simple, but mathabat lin, for kasra give e sound. Lin, it should be e and then attach with noon. Don't say lin. It's not lin, it's lin. Lin, li. First say li and then attach with noon. Lin, and give gunna. There are 2 huruf gunna in Quran, noon and mim. Whenever these letters come with the tashdid, it gets a longer vowel, longer gunna. Gunna, and gunna, what gunna is? To keep the sound in your nose. Lin, look, this is the point where I created gunna, and now the vowel is long too, so it will take 2 counts long sound too. Lin first, and then na. Lin nasi, sin is short. Wa, circle your lips for wow. For fatha, open your jaws. Hamza is a very strong sound. It shouldn't be smooth. It's not no, it's not it's this sharp sound should be there. And for fatha, open your jaws and attach with mim. Mim will get the wasut. Lin, Umar are the 5 letters which whenever they come with sukoon, it gets the wasut, and the wasut is a medium flow of sound. Look how I am creating this sound is called tawassut. Wa now this is idgham wa gunna. With gunna, you are merging this tanween sound into mim with creating sound in your nose. That is called gunna. With gunna. Now wa, make sure you circle your lips for wow. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with ta. Ta is a very strong letter here. What ta? Ta is short. Khi, for kasra, give e sound. Thu. What ta khi? Zu. For dal, for dhamma, circle your lips, and the makhraj of dal is when you will touch the tip of your tongue under the edge of the frontal tooth. Mim, for kasra, give e sound. Make sure this e should be there even if you are attaching with the letter coming up. Me, and then attach with me. Mim, mim. And this is idgham with gunna. Whenever afternoon or tanween, you find hurufe yarmalun, ya, ra, mim, lam, noon, lam, waw, noon. These are the letters. Whenever it comes after noon, sakin or tanween, it gets idgham. And this is here, the idgham is with gunna. You are keeping the sound in your nose too. Mim, ma is short. Qa is 2 counts long, and it is on the heaviest form of tafkhim. Mim, qami, qa. Qa is heavy, mi short. And for kasra, give e sound. Me, it's so simple, but give e sound. Ib, again, hamza is very strong sound. Don't merge it in any letter. It's not ib, it's e. Ib, e. This sharp sound is the part of this hamza. And for kasra, give e sound and attach with ba, creating this e sound. E, ib, ib. Ra is 2 counts long, and it is heavy here because ra, whenever ra gets fatha or dhamma, it gets heavy. Ib, ra, he, 2 counts long, ma short. Ibrahima, mu. For dhamma, circle your lips. Salla, musal. Sad is heavy. Don't make lam heavy because of sad. Be very careful. For dhamma, circle your lips. Sad is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws and attach it with lam and give 2 counts long. This is mad arid. You are extending the sound of tanween into mad letter. Musalla. Wa. Circle your lips for wow. For fatha, open your jaws. Ain from your throat. Hid, again for ha, give for kasra, give e sound and then attach with dal. Hid, he, so first say he and then he, dal. Hid, and dal will get qalqala, and qutubu jaddin are the 5 letters. Whenever they are with sukoon, you'll give qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. You close the makhraj very strongly first, and then you open it and create qalqala. And the way how to create qalqala is this sound. Hid, wa'ahidna, 4 counts long. And this is mad munfasil. Jaiz, this is separate. The mad letter is in one word, hamza is in another word, so there is a gap. So this is called munfasil, and jaiz means you can do it and you can skip it, but we will inshallah do it 4 counts long forever. E, for kasra, give e sound, and hamza is a very strong letter. La, 4 counts long. Ila, ib, Ibrahima, wa. Circle your lips for wow. For fatha, open your jaws. Is, for seen, gives a feed. It is light. It has raqawa. Raqawa means flow of sound. It will not, the sound shouldn't end until the next letter is ready to be pronounced. Wa isma, ma, 2 counts long. Make sure ain should be from your throat, and it is 2 counts long too. La, short. Wa isma'ila, ma. In ma, there shouldn't be ain. Okay, so it make sure ma'ila, wa isma'ila. This is ikhfa, heavy ikhfa. because ta is my heavy letter. So how you will create a heavy ikhfa? You will raise your tongue from its end, yes, from its root. Ta. Ta is attached with ha, and ha has rukhawa. So the rukhawa letters are which are not part of Ajit Qatim Bakat and Lin Umar. Other than those letters are all Rukhawa letters, and Rukhawa is to bring a nice flow of sound into the letter. Tahi, tah. Look, when I am attaching ta with ha, this is the point where I am creating this Rukhawa, the flow of sound. Oh, and then kasra is short and very light. Oh, and then he is short. Oh, he ra, 2 counts long. Baytiya, bay. This is lean. You are creating a very soft sound, and for fatha, give very nice time and attach with ya very nicely and give it a time because it will take 2 counts long. It should take 2 counts long time. Baiti, t short, ya is a very soft letter. The makhraj of ya is the middle of your tongue is lifting towards your palate, but it does not touch the palate. So it's just lifting up. Yeah, lit. And for kasra, give e sound and attach with to. Lit, to. 4 counts long. And kasra, don't drop kasra when you are attaching it with to. Li, lit, ko, e. For kasra, give e sound. Fi. Make sure you give hums on fa. Fi, na, short. Well, wow, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with lam, and lam will get the wasut. Well, this l sound is the wasut. You're giving a medium flow of sound. Well, ayn from your throat, and it is 2 counts long. Ki, short. And kasra, give e sound. Ki, fi, give hums, and this is 2 counts long. Fina, wow. For wow, circle your lips, and for fatha, open your jaws and attach it with ra. Waruk, or for dhamma, circle your lips, and ra is heavy too. Whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is heavy. Waruk, ka is short, and kaf is a light sound here. Is ain for kasra, for ain, make sure you engage your throat very well, and for kasra, give e sound and attach it with seen. Don't drop kasra when you are attaching it with any sukoon letter. Is and seen will get tawassut. It has rukhawa. Sorry, it has rukhawa. It is with safid, and it is a light letter. Is for and for dhamma, circle your lips. Jude. You are making mad arid li sukoon, make it 4 counts long, and when you will give sukoon to stop at the last letter, here it is dal, and so you will give qalqala. Sujud. أن طهر بيتي للطائفين والعاكفين والركع السجود. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.